Okay, so let's start step 8, edit register page. Goal of this step is make user register page like below image, like this page. Add form in the register page, add Firebase source code. What we'll do in this section is just doing the same thing in the official docs about forms. So there's a lot of cookbook in this section, forms section. Okay, so let's get started. First, build a form with validation. So let's get started. 1. Create a form with a global key. First, create a form. The form widget acts as container for grouping and validating multiple form fields. When creating the form, provide global key. This uniquely identifies the form and allows validation of the form in a later step. So in this example, this is how to add global key. So let's do the same things. First, copy this line and open editor. Okay, so this is okay. And next, go back document. Build a form widget using form key created above. So this is like this. So go back my document. The styles are a little bit different, but what we are doing is almost same in official document. So in body replace here. Okay, so this is the finish of this section. So let's go next. Okay, so let's start number 2 at the text form field with validation logic. So go to official document, click at the text form field with validation logic. Although the form is in place, it doesn't have a way for users to enter text. That's the job of a text form field. The text form field widget renders a material design text field and can display validation errors when they occur. By the input by providing the validator function to the text form field. If the user's input isn't valid, the validator function returns a string containing an error message. If there are no errors, the validator must return null. For this example, create validator that ensures that text form field isn't empty. If it is empty, returns a friendly error message. So let's do the same things in this. So let's copy from here to here and open editor, replace this line and paste here. Okay, everything correct, and save this and check the output. Okay, so this is working, but there is currently just this. You cannot check the validation. So let's go to the next step. 3. Create a button to validate and submit the form. In this section, we are going to add submit button. So please copy this code and open editor. And under text field, please paste this. Oops, okay. So let's check the output. This is a submit button we just added. So please register this. So this is how validation works. And what we did just now is just the same things in official document. Create a button to validate and submit the form. The style is a little bit different, but what we did is almost same. So this is how to check validate. Validate returns true if the form is valid, otherwise form. So let's check how we do this. So in raise the button, on press says register form key, current state validate. And if validation okay, we will print the message. So let's check the debug console. And let's type anything. So okay, and register. Okay, so validation worked. Validation, okay, submit. This is how validation works. Okay, so let's go next. So we just finished test behavior. So let's go number 5. Okay, so in this step, what we'll do is just as a navigation to login page. So copy code and under container, please paste this and fix indent. Okay, so this is enough. And at the comma, check the output. So we need to restart this. Oh, wait. So we need to import login page. Okay, so save this. This is automatically import this login page. So at the blank line, check the output. Okay, already have an account, login here. So if you click this, we will go to login page. That's it. Okay, so let's go back to my document and go to number 6. Okay, number 6, improve email validation. In this section, we will improve email validation by using these packages. This is a package for email validation. So let's use this. So go back document and copy this line and open editor and open public-spec.yaml, and under cappuccino icons add this and save. It will automatically download the added packages. Okay, so download finish. So go back to document and please copy this and open editor in registered page. Please find email and under email field validator, let's add this code to compare the above one and below one. First validator is just check if it's empty. If it's empty, it returns please enter email. The second one, first check empty. If it's not empty, it further checks the text field email is valid email. So please delete this validator and quick fix and import this library in this file and save it. And I need to also fix typo. We are using this package for email validation, but if you don't want to use a plugin, you can implement by yourself. So if you want to do that, please check this Stack Overflow question. So let's check the output. So this is, if you press submit, this is please enter email. And if you type something and register, it shows please enter valid email. And if you enter valid email, it disappears the error message. So it worked correctly. So this is the finish of build a form with validation. So let's go to next.